Hey there, I know times can be tough, and sometimes it feels like the world is just weighing you down. But today, I want to talk to you about rebuilding yourself, about starting that journey from the ground up and rising stronger than ever before. You see, rebuilding yourself isn't about forgetting the past, it's about embracing it, taking everything you've been through, every scar, every setback, and using it as the foundation to create something extraordinary. Think of it this way, imagine yourself as a sculptor with your life being the masterpiece. Each challenge, each failure is just another chisel stroke shaping you into the person you are meant to be. Now I know it's not easy, change never is. But remember, life's greatest rewards come from the hardest climbs. Every step you take, every effort you make brings you one step closer to the summit. It's okay to fall, it's okay to make mistakes. What matters is that you get back up stronger, more determined, more focused. Picture a phoenix rising from the ashes. That's you. That's your potential. No matter how many times life knocks you down, you have the power to rise again. Reflect on what you truly want in life. What are your dreams, your passions, your goals? Hold on to them tightly. Let them be your guiding light, your North Star. Take small steps one day at a time, one goal at a time. Celebrate the little victories because they are the building blocks of your future success. Surround yourself with positivity, with people who believe in you, who uplift you, who push you to be the best version of yourself. Remember, the journey to rebuild yourself is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, resilience, and unwavering belief in your own potential. So from this moment on, pledge to yourself that you will keep moving forward no matter how many times you stumble, no matter how many obstacles you face, because you, my friend, are capable of incredible things. The journey to rebuild yourself begins now, and I can't wait to see the amazing person you become. Keep pushing, keep striving, and never give up. The best is yet to come. Thank you for watching, and remember, your journey is just beginning. Embrace it with open arms and let every step you take be a testament to your strength and resilience. Please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for part 2 of this powerful motivational series coming soon.